So today we are going to see the program to show the difference of two 8-bit numbers using KL and Proteus. So KL will be dealing with the programming aspect of it and the Proteus will be dealing with the simulator part of it. Now coming to the program, it has two header files which are 889X51, which indicates that we are using the Atmel 89C51 microcontroller, and the second header file is the kjc serial.h. So this header file is a custom made header file which helps to get or print the data using the PC keyboard on the Proteus simulator screen. Now coming to the main program, we are using two unsigned characters, byte 1 and byte 2. Now to the T mode, we are initiating to work mode 2, which is an 8-bit auto reload by giving the T mode the hexadecimal value of 0x20, and T mode is a special function register associated with the timer. So to the next one is the TH1. When we give the hexadecimal value as 0xFD, which indicates that the baud rate will be 9600. So the next is the SCON, which is also associated with UART, and when we give the hexadecimal value as 0x50, which is 01010000, which is in a binary format, okay, which also means we are setting SM1 and REN to high state, which activates mode 1, which is a 8-bit UART, and enabling the reception, which means collecting data sent via PC keyboard. So TR is equal to 1, which indicates that we are setting the timer to run by giving 1, which is an high state. So the next one is in a while loop. So inside that is the printf statement, which written as enter the first byte. So it gives the user, it states the user to give first byte to be printed. So byte 1 is equal to read byte PC, which is a predefined function available in the kjc serial header file. And the similar goes for the printf enter the second byte, which shows the user to print the second to give the second value for the program. So next comes is the printf difference, where and the next line is byte 2 PC byte 1 minus byte 2, which says that the first input which is given by the user minus the second input which is given by the user, which gives an output of the difference of these two numbers which is given by the user. Okay, so after the program is executed, we have to create an hex file for this. And now going to the Proteus simulation part. So in the Proteus simulation part, we have this microcontroller, which is 8089C51 microcontroller, and a virtual terminal. So the virtual terminal RxD port is connected to the TXD port of the microcontroller, which implies that the data is transferred from the virtual terminal to the microcontroller. And the RxD port of the microcontroller is connected to the TXD port of the virtual terminal, implies that the processed value in the microcontroller is given to the virtual terminal. Now run the program and go to the debugging part, and down you have to click the virtual terminal. Now the screen is shown, which is written as enter the first byte. So you can enter as 26. So the next one is the enter the second byte. So you can give the value as 13. So the difference of this value will be, which is shown in the output as 13. So this is the program for the difference of two 8-bit numbers.